Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. The company is Heritage Auctions, so it is an auction company, auction house, and they are looking for somebody to match images and descriptions. We are going to dive all in. Of course, the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Heritage Auctions has 157 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an image proofer. This is remote work from home in the United States. They are headquartered out of Dallas, Texas, but they have offices all over, including New York, Chicago, Beverly Hills, San Francisco. They even have offices in London and Hong Kong. But it does say that even though this is a remote work from home position, you're going to be responsible for making sure their online auction listings for each lot show the correct images and the correct description without any significant typos. Now, this is a fast-paced and high production position, they said, with a deadline structure. But if you're good with working in a fast-paced environment, they're looking for somebody to basically image proof to make sure that the images that are attached match the description for each item in their online auctions. It's going to require you to read and verify information through images and memory recall. So you're going to have a detailed eye for image quality is crucial. You'll learn and follow their standards for various departments and to be able to recall that information efficiently. You're going to be working remotely, so you have to be proficient with Microsoft Office programs like Outlook, Word, Excel, and you will be required to internally communicate with your team using email, instant messaging, and sometimes video chat like Zoom. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, and it says all the experience they really require is 1 to 2 years of some kind of administrative or clerical experience or the equivalent combination of education and experience. Now, above being able to use those Microsoft applications, they want someone who has great communication skills, can be a multitasker, self-motivated, and of course work in that fast-paced environment. Now, this is a Monday through Friday position, and of course, they did not list the actual pay for the job in the job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I always try to do a little bit of research and find an estimate just to kind of gauge the position on. I could not find the actual job title of image proofer for this company, but I did find an imaging specialist for Heritage Auctions, and they pay anywhere from $40,000 to $44,000 a year, which is in the range for a full-time 40-hour position of $19 to $21 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.